Guys, hey, I sent away for a filter for this. I got an OEM mirror filter. I'm not getting the K&N filter. I'm gonna get the OEM filter. That's $36, believe it or not. I'll show you how you replace the filter on a Busa. Tank lifts up, cover comes off, and we're gonna check the spark plugs too while I got that up. But yeah, I ordered the ear filter last night for this. So that should be in probably by Friday. And these are the stock cans. These things, man, they're like 35 pounds a piece. They're heavy. That's one of the reasons why I took them off. Because the motorcycle, the Hayabusas, I think it's something like 585 pounds with these on. With these off, it's like 540 pounds or less than that. That's why we got the shorties on over there. But what I'm going to do with these, this is what I want to do. I want to cut these in half. I want to cut them about right here. I'm going to get a hacksaw. First, what we're going to do is these are welded. The bolts are welded in. They're like spot welded. So we're going to have to get a Dremel tool, cut the welds, take the end caps off. Then I'm going to see if I can take the inserts out, the baffling system out. Because I think this black part here, I think this is like fiberglass if I'm not mistaken. I think this is just a sleeve. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut it. I want to cut these in half. I want to cut them about right here. And then we're going to modify the baffle inside so that it'll be a little bit more mellow sounding. Then we'll screw this back on. There's probably, I think there's like a bracket in here. That'll probably have to be welded on inside there. Then these will be half the size. I think they'll look real cool. And they'll sound a lot better too. And they'll probably, this is where the mufflers bolt onto, so they'll end about right here. So they'll look really cool, man. We just cleaned the chain on the Rebel. Cleaned the chain on it. Really didn't even need cleaned. I think since I have this, I probably put, God, I don't know. I bet you I didn't even put 50 miles on it since I had it. I am inquiring into a Harley. Some reason the dealership is, I don't know, they're jagging me around for some reason. It's a FX Deuce. It's a FX Wide Glide Deuce. I think it's a, I think it's a 2008 or 2005, something like that. It's actually a nice motorcycle. And I'm going to call them and want to see what's going on. You know, because they told me when I first took the Rebel out there to get it inspected at Ducati at Pittsburgh, they told me, oh, some guy he put money down on it. They said it's sold. Now, I look on the website, it's actually a little less. It's like $600 less, and it's still on the website. So I'm thinking maybe the guy didn't come through. So I'm going to call him and see what's going on. Anyway, we cleaned things up a little in here, guys. Cleaned up a little bit, man. I actually got a box of garbage from the garage. Got a table. I found this in the trash. Got a table, another table in here. That bench, that wooden bench down there, I have to throw that out. I have to get rid of that. All right. I'll give them a call, and we'll see what's going on.